everyone! Today we're going to be learning about how to move your sprite in Scratch. So you take this character, your cat, move it at the end, and you go to events. You go on the first one when green flag clicked. Drag it here, then go on control, repeat 10. Then go to motion and then move 10 steps. Change the 10 steps to 9. Change the repeat 10 to repeat 40. Then you press this button here. See? Then after you press the green flag, go. When your character will move from here to the last point. Bye everyone!